Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Amazon handles return addresses. When you initiate a return for an item sold and shipped by Amazon, the system automatically generates a prepaid return label with a specific Amazon facility address. This process is designed for efficiency and accuracy. For items from third-party sellers, the return address is usually determined by that individual seller. It's important to note that you cannot manually alter the return address on a label provided by Amazon, as this could cause significant issues with your return. For products purchased from a third-party seller on Amazon, the return process can differ slightly. The seller is responsible for providing the correct return address. If you have any doubts or need to confirm the address, your best course of action is to contact the seller directly via the Amazon messaging system. They might offer specific instructions or even a different address depending on the item or the reason for your return. Always follow their guidance to ensure a smooth and successful return. Amazon's return label system is highly integrated and automated. When you request a return, Amazon provides a pre-addressed, often prepaid, label. This label contains a unique tracking number and directs your package to the precise location, whether it's an Amazon fulfillment center or a specific seller's warehouse. It's crucial not to modify this address. Any manual changes to an Amazon-generated label could result in your package being misdirected, causing significant delays in processing your refund or even the complete loss of your returned item. If you encounter a situation where you suspect the return address on your Amazon-provided label is incorrect, or if you have any concerns, the most important step is to contact Amazon customer service right away. Do not attempt to manually write a different address on the label, as this will almost certainly cause problems. For items from third-party sellers, always adhere to the specific return instructions and address provided by that seller. Following these guidelines will help ensure your return is processed correctly and efficiently, avoiding unnecessary complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.